Now, as we know, same charges repel each other and opposite charges attract each other. We take example. Let us consider we charge two rulers by rubbing same object and two glass rod by rubbing same object. But if we observe two rulers repel each other and two glass rod repel each other, but if we take one ruler means scale and one rod, they attract each other. Okay, here from this conclusion we observe that same charges repel each other and opposite or unlike charges attract each other. Here we do this activity. Now next one is, now how will you say that attraction is a full proof of charges? Now first of all tell me, attraction is a full proof of charges or repulsion is a used as proof for charge, which is best? If we say that repulsion is a बेस्ट प्रूफ ऑफ चार्जिंग, मतलब हमें पता लगता है कि रिपल्सन अगर दो ऑब्जेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो उन दोनों में चार्ज है, बट अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट आपस में अटैच कर रहे हैं तो दैट इज़ नॉट ए फुल प्रूफ ऑफ चार्जिंग कि दोनों में चार्ज है, बट रिपल्सन श्योर 100% प्रूफ ऑफ चार्जिंग कि दोनों में चार्ज है. दैट वी डू बाय सम एग्जांपल हियर. Now here see on the notebook, let us consider this is a scale. It is having negative charge, so it is having more electron than protons plus charges, and it will attract this paper which is having both charges, means neutral. Now it will attract this. Why? Actually this is uncharged, still it will attract this, but why? Because minus charge is more than this plus charges, so it will attract each other. But if we compare positive and negative, this positive and this negative, this positive charge much than this, but as compared to this negative and this positive, it will more difference, this minus and plus, but less difference between plus and this minus, so it will attract this, but it means it is having no charge, still it will attract each other. So we can say it is having no charge, but if we put another ruler which is having same charge, equal negative charges, so they repel each other. So it is the sure method, short method, 100% method that repulsion is the full proof of charges. Okay. Now how an object gets charged? This is the activity by which styrofoam we rub it and it attracts a small bits of vapor, that we do already. Now here, when you rub styrofoam with paper, some negative charge from paper travel to styrofoam, means this is paper, this is styrofoam. Here we say that some negative charge from paper travel to styrofoam, means इस पेपर में से नेगेटिव चार्ज इसमें आ गए. Then what happen? Means styrofoam has negative charges, more negative charges. Styrofoam has excess negative charge, so it is said to be negative charging. It is having less positive charges, means this lost the electrons, so it is having positive charge, and this gained the electron, so it is having negative charge. So now we want to discuss how an object gets charged. This is by rubbing. Rubbing, as we already know, rubbing transfer electron takes place. In this here, transfer of electron take place from this to this, means इसमें से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल कर इसमें आ गए, तो इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे, सो इट इज़ हैविंग नेगेटिव चार्ज. इसमें से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल गए तो इसमें क्या पॉजिटिव चार्ज कम होंगे, मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन इसमें निकल गए तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज ज़्यादा होंगे. so it is having positive charge. Okay, here one more example. When you rub plastic with wool, plastic gets negative charge and wool gets positively charged. It is important and you have to remind which plastic gets which charge, wool gets which charge, glass for which charge. Okay, now it is the charging by rubbing. Okay, how another charge? So now charging by conduction. Rubbing is not the only way to charge body. Means ये जरूरी नहीं कि आप रबिंग से किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को चार्ज करोगे. You can charge a neutral body by bringing it in contact with the body. Okay, now we have a, see here this diagram. Initially the electrically neutral cylinder, this it is neutral. When it is come close, now tell me which charge on this scale. It is having more negative charge than positive, so it is negative charge. It is neutral. The cylinder, like any other objects, has million of atoms with an equal number of negative and positive. अब इसमें देखिए positive negative equal है, so it is a neutral. But when you bring closer ruler close to it, the negative charge in the cylinder move away from the ruler. मीन्स कि जो इसमें नेगेटिव चार्ज हैं मूव हो जाएंगे, लिविंग पॉजिटिव चार्ज इन रूलर, अब इसे पॉजिटिव चार्ज रह जाएंगे. दिस इज वाई द सिलेंडर मूव टुवर्ड्स द रूलर. तो सिलेंडर क्या इसकी ओर अट्रैक्ट होगा. रिमेंबर द नेगेटिव चार्ज फ्री टू मूव अबाउट वाइल पॉजिटिव चार्ज, एज वी नो ऑलरेडी, नेगेटिव चार्ज ओनली फ्री टू मूव, ट्रांसफर इन्हीं का होता है हमेशा. When however the ruler touches the cylinder, some of the excess negative charge on the ruler get transferred to the cylinder. Means when we try to touch or we touch, this negative charge transferred to this, then the cylinder acquires a negative charge. Okay, and it is repelled by the ruler. Charging a neutral body by bringing it in contact with the charged body is called charging induction. देखिए जैसे फर्स्ट वी डू रबिंग बाय रबिंग, नाउ इट इज द अनदर मेथड चार्जिंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स व्हेन कॉन्टैक्ट नियर द अनचार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडक्शन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट चार्जिंग बाय इंडक्शन. इट इज द मोर मेथड, अनदर मेथड. व्हेन यू ब्रॉट द रूलर क्लोज टू पेपर सिलेंडर, देयर वाज इन टेम्परेरी अलाइनमेंट ऑफ चार्ज विद सिलेंडर. Here we in the next page, that is charging by induction. See here, that gives more clarity. Diagram. When you bring the negatively charged ruler close to sphere A, means it is having negative charge. First of all, these are close near. When you put near this, the negative charge move away as far as possible. Negative charge move means कि इसमें negative charge move होंगे. Some of them cross over sphere B, में इसमें से नेगेटिव चार्ज होकर इसमें से जाएंगे बी में. बी लिविंग इन नेट पॉजिटिव चार्ज. अभी बी में देखो मेजोरिटी नेगेटिव की है तो नेगेटिव काउंट होगा, सो इट इज हैविंग नेगेटिव चार्जेस. व्हेन यू मूव स्फीयर बी अवे फ्रॉम स्फीयर ए, एंड व्हेन वी मूव अवे दूर करें इनको इन द प्रेस रूलर, इट रिटेन्स एक्स्ट्रा नेगेटिव चार्ज. तो इसमें क्या होंगे, एक्स्ट्रा नेगेटिव चार्ज आएंगे. सो स्फीयर ए एक्वायर्स नेट पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड स्फीयर बी एक्वायर्स नेट नेगेटिव चार्ज. इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा कि इसमें पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा, इसमें नेगेटिव चार्ज आएगा. ओके, इफ यू हैड मूव्ड रूलर अवे बिफोर मूविंग स्फीयर बी, इफ यू हैड मूव्ड द रूलर अवे बिफोर मूविंग स्फीयर बी, द चार्जेस इनसाइड स्फीयर वुड हैव रीअरेंज्ड देमसेल्व्स एंड टू स्फीयर वुड हैव रिमेन्ड इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल. मीन्स before this it is neutral, means rearrange themselves. Now it is another method. Charging objects of bringing them near a charged body is called charging by induction. Here we don't touch, that is close रखा हमने, इसको टच नहीं किया, that is by induction. How would you test the charge of spheres A and B? You could bring each sphere close to suspended charge rod. See if the rod is repelled. If the sphere repels a negative charge rod, it must be negative charge, and if it repels a positive charge, it must be, means we know that rod has a negative charge. If this attract negative charge, it means it is having positive. If this repel negative charge rod, so it is having negative charge. Okay, that is the second part of electricity and lighting. In the next lecture tomorrow we will complete this chapter. Okay, thanks and have a nice day.